see who you are. You are my enemy, my enemy. You are my enemy.
俺はこの国を変える。体だ！
Furthermore, I moved the court to charge and arrest the prosecution for failure to properly inquire into the facts of the case and conspiring with the witness in order to perpetrate this malicious prosecution, contempt, and perpetrating fraud upon the court, as well as any appropriate sanctions tilde. If the prosecutor objects to the line of questioning as being irrelevant by arguing her erroneous legal conclusion that such cases have nothing to do with commercial use or that transportation does not legally relate only to those engaging in commercial activities upon the highway, then you need to object to that. Prosecutor objection. Relevancy. This line of questioning is irrelevant. This case has nothing to do with commercial activity and no one has accused Mrs. Yu of any commercial activity. Judge, I have a multi-part rebuttal to the prosecution's objection. First, the prosecutor has just used their objection to make their own legal conclusion and determination and injected illegally into the record in a blatant attempt to give false and misleading testimony relating to 3 different factual issues before the court. One, that this line of questioning is irrelevant because there is nothing commercial at issue here, and 2, that this case has nothing to do with commercial activity or commercial use of the highways, and 3, that no one has made a charge against me stating that I was engaged in some form of commercial activity, which, given the existence of the criminal complaint in the court record, is a knowingly and willfully made and patently false statement. Second, the prosecution has introduced no evidence into the record supporting her personal legal conclusion and determination that this matter does not have anything to do with commercial activity for the purpose of using the highways to engage in the business of transportation. Third, these questions go to the heart of my legal theory and defense, which is that all activities relating to transportation and all the rules and regulations codified in the Transportation Code which governs those activities are entirely commercial in nature and apply only to those that are actually engaging in a commercial use of the highways at the time of the alleged offense, which defense has stated and maintained at all times that he was not. Lastly, is the prosecutor seriously asking the court to act on state's behalf for the purpose and intent of denying me my right of due process by prohibiting me from putting up of a vigorous and legally valid defense in this matter? Therefore, I move that prosecution's objection be stricken from the record and the jury be instructed to ignore her outburst, or in the interest of justice, that this matter be declared mistrial because of the prosecutor's blatant misconduct by attempting to offer false and misleading testimony in this matter.